Okay, this is 74th Avenue in Seminole. This is going to be a pre-purchase inspection. I'm on the far left-hand side of the house, more on the back side. And this is going to be a 2-inch line. We're at the base of the stack right now. We have some scaling in here. There we go. It's gone through a couple turns. So this is going to be the 2x3 combo right here. So in the 2-inch line, we got some scaling in here. And then once we get to the 3-inch, we got a couple turns that I don't know if we're going to be able to get through this part. Alright, so this is definitely going to be the 3-inch run. Alright, I'm not going to be able to get my camera through that part, but so this 2-inch run right here, we're going to have some cast iron debris on this particular side of the house that goes up until the 3-inch here. The 3-inch, from what I can tell, looks good. I'm not sure what part of the house that we're in. We're going to go ahead and pull it back to the stack. Obviously, since it's 2-inch, we're not going to see any toilet paper going through this line. It should just be gray water. So it should be fine. We're going to go ahead and pause here. Alright, so this is going to be another 2-inch line. I'm taking a wild guess that this is going to be the kitchen. Yep, definitely going to be the kitchen. Again, this is a 2-inch line, so we're not seeing any toilet paper being ran through this line. It is a little bit scaly, and does hold a little bit of kitchen grease, such as natural buildup over the year and course of time. So far, nothing appears to be broken. And this looks like the 2x3 combo, so this is where everything dumps into the main line. We're going to go ahead and try to see if we can get through there, and here we are. Screen's a little blurry, but I should be able to tell if there's a problem or not. Looks like we got toilet paper ahead of us. Yep, that's toilet paper. And that's as far as I'm going to be able to push on this particular 2-inch run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside the house and run a whole bunch of water and resume the video in a minute. Alright, so I got the kitchen running water here on the kitchen side, so we're just going to check the flow, make sure everything's flowing good. Water should be coming up behind us. Here it is. And you can see it's taking no problem. That's good news. Also clear out some of that grease blockage. Actually, let's get rid of that word blockage. It's not blocked, it's just some buildup. But you can see the water's taking 100%. So since it's just a kitchen line, that's all it should see, is just soap water. We're going to go ahead and pull this up and go down the main 3-inch stack and run it outside the house. Alright, so we got the water running in this stack as well. What we're going to do is we're going to ride the surf all the way out to as far as we can. I'm going to go ahead and kill the water once we get out as far as we can. So the main line looks wonderful so far from what I can tell. We got a little bit of cast iron flake buildup at the base of all these stacks, but that's just kind of normal. not worried about the details at the very moment because I'm just trying to push this camera as far as I can push it. We're still in cast iron pipe. We've gone through a bunch of turns. Still in cast iron. At 80 feet, we're definitely outside of the house. And that's as far as we're going to push it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let the water run for a little bit. Then I'm going to take the hose out of here and we're going to inspect it. Alright, so I have the hose out of the line now, so we'll get the water turned off. You can see the water racing by us, which is good news. That lets us know that, there's definitely no blockage in the line, or a soft blockage for that matter. I cannot push any further past 90 feet. We're definitely outside of the house at this point. So we got cast iron outside the house. Looks to be in great shape. It's still draining water out. It's probably going to take over a minute to get all the water to drain out just because of how long the run is. Yep, we got nice round cast iron here. So far, minimal scaling on the side of the pipe. This looks really good. And you can see the waters really just have left the pipe, so there's really not much left. Yep, nice and round. We're looking good. Slight scaling on the side of the pipe. You can see it's not dirt on the bottom, that's just residual grease color from the kitchen line. Okie dokie, and we're getting ready to pull it from the stack, and everything here looks good. We got a little bit of scaling in the 2-inch lines, a little bit of grease buildup, but everything is flowing good. It'll only be a concern if the scaling was bad in the 3-inch line, since that's where all the toilet paper goes. This will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.